Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So here's my little HUK pin setup, and this is for removing the pins. Two little sliding drawers, pretty cool. A magnet has mysteriously turned up, no idea where. I'm going to operate on this Kia remote right here. Basically the pins come out, the blades come out, and somebody's had to jam a temporary pin in there. So we're going to see if we can kind of clean that up now and see if we can get an original pin back in there and squeeze it up and see what we can do. So I'm just going to back this off here. How does this fit in? Okay, so it normally just fits in like that, like so. Now I've used this a couple of times, but I have bent up a few of the needles, so I'm hoping not to have such bad luck today. Right, so it's clamped in. See if we can just bang this out. Ah, that was easy. That was easy. Now finding a pin to sit in there that's not going to come out, so we might have to pan it on both sides. So there's our blade right there. It's got that original blade type shape, because not all of them have the same shape. So some of the original ones have they're a little bit smaller than your silker type blades. Alright, so I've got this kit right here, and all the way off the boat from China is my multiple sizes. So I bought, a stack of them, multiple sizes, to see if I can get one of each and every one, so that way I'm prepared. So let's see what the fitting of that is like. Whoa, that's okay. It fits in there nicely, but unfortunately the hole has been enlarged and it's just not going to hold in there. Vernier calipers. This is probably going to be the easiest way to do it. They put an aftermarket piece of pin through there, 1.82. My pin here is 1.73. It's not really good. So we're going to need something, 1.83, probably going to need something about 2 mil, and we're going to need to pan over the edges. 1.75. These look thinner. These look fatter. Oh, geez, these are interlocked, these ones. I've got two here for the price of one. These are a little bit thinner, but what's the diameter? 2.2. So, but if you look at the size, there is a difference. See the size difference? That's going to be a little bit of an issue in itself. We've got some real tiny ones there, some stainless ones there. Alright, what do these ones look like? These look thinner as well. They look like some sort of aluminium, and we've got lots of screws, but we don't really want to use screws, and that right there is our selection. So have a look now. If I was to use this 2 mil one, which is quite big, it's only really gonna, I don't know, it might work. It might work. Let's put that back in there. Line this up. So I'm just going to try and start it off with this little cradle device, and then I'm going to put it in a proper vise, give it a nice big whack with a hammer, drive it down, all the way down, and see how that responds. Here's our little roll pin. And of course I can't get a start on it. This side might be bigger. Just winding that up nice and tight. So I've got a start on it. Now I'm going to actually use a proper vise because I'm going to really need to pound this little rivet in. And there we have it. The rivet's in. Doesn't want to spring too well. Obviously the spring in this remote has gone to God as well. But as far as the rivet, that's in there quite flush, and it's going through the key and coming through the other side. What I will actually do is push it down a little bit further and then get a center punch and widen it on both sides, so that way it's like a rivet and won't come out. So that's a quick repair, replacing the pin on a Kia. I was told it was an iLoad, but anyway, there we have it. Thanks for watching.